America, here's your chance to be a Ghostbuster. Looking for a career that's exciting? Be a Ghostbuster. Want a job with power and responsibility? Be a Ghostbuster. Want to race into battle and save the world? Be a Ghostbuster.
Yes, now you can run a Ghostbuster branch office right in your own neighborhood.
Catch ghosts? Make money?
It's that easy.
Yes, your Ghostbusting Starter Kit includes the actual equipment developed and tested by the Ghostbusters themselves during their world-famous adventures.
Yes, friends, it's your ticket to Easy Street. These people were miserable with their low-paying, go-nowhere jobs.
I was a school teacher.
I was a short-order cook.
Ja veel worden beklust a socialistische despotie.
Now they're making real money. Right, everybody? So from now on, if there's something weird in your neighborhood, who they gonna call? You! So join in the fun and be a Ghostbuster!
Order your Ghostbusting Starter Kit. Call 1-800-555-BUS. That's 1-800-555-BUS. All major credit cards accepted.